Welcome to Roofing Quick Tips, where we answer your roofing question in 60 seconds or less. Today's video, we're going to be talking about whether or not your roof flashing gets replaced during a roof replacement. So let's get started. The simple answer to this question is yes, your roof flashing does get replaced during a roof replacement. Now, there are some instances where if the flashing is fastened behind a wall and it can't be removed and it hasn't been damaged, then we can reuse the existing step flashing. Now, if you're a homeowner who's just recently had their chimney reflashed and you're now getting your roof replaced, then the existing flashing on a chimney, we can reuse that as long as it's not damaged during the tear-off process. If you insist on having the flashing reused that's existing, then you definitely want to put some ice and water shield underneath it and back up behind it as far as you can go, just to make sure that you're not creating an issue that's going to leak. Now you know more about roof flashing. For a more in-depth look on flashing, click on the link below at the end of this video and watch our video in our Roofing Components playlist on flashing. I'm Bill Ragan with Bill Ragan Roofing Company. Thanks again for watching the Roofing Channel. Remember to like and subscribe so other customers like you can get more informed before they make their large purchasing decision. We'll see you on the next one.